Hi friends, once again I am DG on iOS YouTube channel, and today I am talk about how to download and install iOS 14 Beta 2 on your iPhone. New iOS 14 Beta 2 come for developer for testing purpose, so not all things workable due to glitch. So I suggest you won't install these on your daily driver iPhone. You can do this on your secondary device if you have any. Let's start. Open the settings app and go to general. Now next tap on software update to check for update. I am tapping on it and I got iOS 14 Developer Beta 2, which is 831.8 MB in size, so not take too much time to download if you have good internet speed. So I have this proper Wi-Fi connected iPhone, and now I'm going to download and install on my iPhone 11 Pro. Follow this process as I am showing you on this tutorial. And after installed, I will talk with you what's new and changes in iOS 14 Developer Beta 2. Hands on what's new in iOS 14 Beta 2 after the process completion, as you can see on my screen. I found a new calendar icon in iOS 14 Beta 2 that shows the day of the week, abbreviated instead of spelled out like before day. Second thing is the clock icon. It has also been little bit changed with the border font style, and with them it look like sticker hover and minute hands. Now we talk about file widgets. This is new widget for the Files app that can be added to the today view or the main app home screen. More about how to iOS 14 widget you can learn in by this video card and on end screen. Amazing thing I noticed in the weather widget. Before weather widget just shows a Cupertino instead of the current location, but now it has been fixed in Beta 2. Weather bottom part shows the drive and street name instead of city or state, so this is the subtle change. Now reminder, the emoji reminder list have redesigned. Now one new way to delete app, and it's using app library. Now iOS 14 Beta 2 Apple added apps downloaded to the app library and which is not into the home screen. It can now be deleted directly from the app library before the remove option for other apps is now delete. Now we talk about Apple Music. Millions of Apple Music users will get the new look in form of animated cover art, but this motion can disable too if you want like. Another thing is I feeling music haptic when pressing the options such as play, pause, back and next buttons on the now playing screen in Apple Music. I also got a new icon for family sharing into the settings app that you can get in settings app. You guys, have you found anything new or other changes not covered in this video? Then let us know in the comments and we will add them into our pinned comment.